how to buy type shit token. So this token came under the symbol of type. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. And as you can see here, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token trends in number 25 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your consumer portal as you can see here. So now what you need to do, I will just start into my links first. Now, as you can see, click on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet, and now so that click here and paste token address in the search bar. And as you can see, this is also now click on it. Now click on I understand. So here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to direct you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy type token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.